I've embarked on a drier January, so hopefully none of you have to torture yourselves doing the same thing, as January is a depressing enough month without having to live like a joyless psychopath. And that alone deserves at least a like, or if you're feeling generous, a subscribe. And no, I'm not here to pontificate that I'm some kind of saint. I'm already looking forward to making some boozy cocktails over the next few weeks, but I want to finish this mini-series by making the last of my mocktails, the St. Kitts. The ingredient lineup: pineapple juice, fresh lime juice, grenadine and ginger beer. And if you want to make this boozy, I suggest you add 2 ounces of rum or even 2 ounces of a bourbon, which goes surprisingly well with pineapple juice. Let's kick this off by adding 3 ounces, that's 90 ml, of pineapple juice to our shaker. Follow this up with 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of grenadine. Then add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 15 seconds. History wise, I don't have much on this drink, but I assume it has links to the Caribbean island of St. Kitts and Nevis, although rum punches and another cocktail called the Killer Bee tend to be more prevalent there. Double strain into an ice-filled highball glass. Top up with ginger beer. Give this a quick stir. And garnish with a lime wedge. The taste test. Unsurprisingly, this is a very sweet drink, but the lime juice and the ginger beer are the real winners here, and they do a great job at making the drink taste interesting. The grenadine is really there for colour purposes. Even if you use a homemade version, I don't really reckon it'll make a ton of difference. I think this is a promising drink, and I'm definitely thinking it could be taken in a tiki direction, perhaps cutting back on the pineapple juice and adding a nice rum blend. It's a nice drink. I'm going to give it 7.2 out of 10.